I also request, Madam.
I mean renovation, na? Full.
This project was a brainchild of the then SP and now the IG Police Law and Order, Shri Davis Marak. And I would like to take this moment to really congratulate him for having had that vision and that idea and the determination to move forward with such a big project. And of course, many challenges were there. And it was only until recently that the then Home Minister and now our Education Minister Malakman Rambui and his entire team again took that bold step and decision to ensure that this project would be completed, additional funds would be sanctioned, and here we are today, finally inaugurating this particular complex.